Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Drive for desktop on macOS, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Google Drive for desktop on macOS, start by closing the application. Locate the Google Drive icon on your menu bar at the top right of your screen. Click on the icon to open the Apps menu. Select the option labeled Preferences or Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Account tab. Click on Disconnect Account to ensure your files are no longer synced. Once you have disconnected your account, close the Preferences window. Next, open the Finder application on your Mac. In the sidebar, select Applications to view your installed software. Scroll through the list to find Google Drive. Click and drag the Google Drive icon to the trash located on your dock. Alternatively, you can right-click on the Google Drive icon and select Move to Trash. From the menu bar, click on Go, then select Go to Folder. In the dialog box, type /library application support and hit Enter. Look for any folders related to Google Drive and move them to the trash. Repeat this process by going back to Go to Folder, but this time type /library preferences. Once you have removed all necessary files, right-click on the trash icon. Select Empty Trash to permanently delete the application and its files. Finally, restart your Mac to complete the uninstallation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. And if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.